Hello, my name is John Mulligan, and I am a teacher of United States Government here at San Mateo High School. Your student is in my class this year, and I'm glad to have each and every one of my students. I enjoy teaching social science, which includes modern world history, United States history, and this year, for your student who's a senior, it is American government. This class is a one-semester class, and its purpose is to help your student understand how the American government was formed, to help your student understand how it works, because when they turn 18, they can vote, and they can directly participate in their government and work towards making good changes if needed, or work towards helping keeping things that are working well. Usually by the senior year, students are more interested in their government, and they know that they can be a part of it, but don't always understand why or how they can. So the purpose of this class is to help them understand that and to see how the United States government was formed and what principles are behind the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, the voting process, how presidents are elected, how senators are elected, how change happens in their local community. All of that is something that we cover in class. Basically, the class involves taking a lot of notes. I do a lot of talking, but I don't make the students remember everything they hear. All they have to do is see what I put up on the screen, which is a combination of words and pictures, and write down what I tell them to write down. And all of that is done within their notebook. Their notebook is one that they keep in class every day. They're not required to take it with them unless they need to do makeup work, but it will always be in the same place when they come back to the class. They're not supposed to take it home. I don't want it to get lost because those notes are very valuable to their taking the test. Because basically when the tests come, which are every 2 weeks or so, they can use their notes. They can open up their notes and then they have the test right next to it, and their job is to connect the answers that are required in the test to their notes. So its purpose is to help them comprehend what they're reading and what they heard. The purpose of a written test is also so that they can keep their writing skills improved. They have to take handwritten notes in class. So we work a lot on note-taking and connecting those notes to concepts. Again, we'll be talking about the election process, how the government got started, how they can participate, who can participate in the government, and all the different ways someone can be a part of their government. The United States government offers many opportunities for people to participate and know that what they do makes a difference. If you have a question about class, you can always reach me, or a question about your student. The best way to get hold of me, you can call me directly in my office or at my office number, which is 558-2369, 558-2369, or you can email me at jmulligan, that's it, jmulligan, MULLIGAN, at smhusd.org. And I check my email all the time, and I will respond quickly to the communication you send. Please know that I'd like to get to know you. You can come to school, check in at the front office, and they'll be glad to bring you down to my classroom. I would love to meet you. If I know you're coming, even better, so I can help you understand what we're doing. And if there's a problem with class and your student, I'll usually know it already, and we'd be glad to talk to you about how we can fix the problem. Thank you very much for your time tonight, and look forward to a great year with your student in United States government class. Thank you. Bye-bye.